Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of WWE Elite Series 114 Bron Breakker. It's the front of the packaging. Here's the side of the packaging with a picture of Bron Breakker on it. Here is the back of the packaging. It says here that he's from Woodstock, Georgia. His height is 6 foot. Weight is 230 pounds. Finisher is the spear. It says Bron Breakker tore the building down at NXT No Mercy 2023 to show Baron Corbin that he's got that dog in him. Career highlights: NXT champion, NXT Tag Team Champion. Alright everybody, here is Bron Breakker out of the packaging. Okay everybody, and here are the interchangeable open fisted hands for Bron Breakker. It's really cool. Alright everybody, and here is this scary looking wolf-like entrance headgear for Bron Breakker. Okay everybody, here is Bron Breakker out of the packaging. Okay everybody, and here is the head scan for Bron Breakker, and it looks so lifelike. Got the beard here, got the hair sculpt here, the fade. This is the top, this ring gear. He has like a Goldberg-esque tribal tattoo here. And you got the dog face gremlin, or hound, or werewolf image here. It says dog here. This is his black ring gear. He's got black knee pads, black boots. It says Breakker here on the sides. Yeah, this is a really detailed figure, and it's flexible. It does everything you need Bron Breakker to do to destroy his opponents. Alright everybody, here is Bron Breakker fully posed and out of the packaging with his wolf-like headgear on, which I think looks really cool and a little bit scary at the same time. Alright everybody, here is Bron Breakker fully posed and out of the packaging. And I removed the his head cover, and I put the Intercontinental Championship on him. He's won this title already 2 times, which is impressive, and I'm sure he'll be a main event star in the near future. Alright everybody, here is Bron Breakker posed alongside some WWE superstars he's had matches and programs with. Of course, we have Kofi Kingston over here. It's an Elite Kofi Kingston in the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles gear. It's an Elite Jey Uso with the Yeet t-shirt. Of course, we have an Elite Sheamus, John Cena main event series, John Cena main event showdown, John Cena with The Rock, the 2-pack. Of course, we have an Elite Ricochet here, an Elite Undertaker, of course, an Elite Ludwig Kaiser from the Imperium 2-pack. Alright everybody, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video of this Elite Bron Breakker. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, liking my videos and watching my videos and stuff. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys all later. Thank you guys all so very much.